Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to teach emotions to your child in a crafty way. Like I always tell you, teaching them in a crafty way is the best way because this makes the things memorable and also really very fun. For this, my first activity is emotions wheel activity. For this, I took an old cardboard and drawn the lines like I am showing. Draw some faces like happy, sad, surprised, whatever emojis you like, you draw those faces. Every parent wants a child to be emotionally healthy. What does it mean? It means that the child should be able to express his feelings without any guilt. Teaching them emotions in this tender age makes your child not to hide anything when they grow up. After completing this activity, ask your child to rotate the wheel and ask him what makes them feel happy. What are the things, what are the activities that making them feel happy? What is making them sad? How to overcome the sadness? Like how to overcome the sadness? If you are feeling sad, talk to your mother, play with your siblings, pray to God, listen to music. These are some kind of activities you can tell your child to overcome the sadness, to overcome the fearness. What making them feel surprised, worried? Ask your child. Let him open his mind and tell you everything without hiding anything. These kind of activities build fine motor skills in your kids, and also these kind of sensory activities will keep the children busy. This is the valuable time a mother should spend with your kids. If you felt the wheel activity boring and somewhat difficult, you can try this activity. This is very easy to make. For this, you need 2 paper cups. On the upper paper cup, you draw some faces. On the lower paper cup, you draw the holes like I have shown for the eyes and the mouth. You draw some faces for happy, sad, scary. This is a very easy toy you can gift your child. And rotate the paper cup. This is a toy from trash and very easy to make. And the other activity is using the popsicle sticks, you attach some faces on it. I have used them many times, that's why they are not looking that new. Friends, I have shared with you things which I have tried on my kids and I have seen the 100% results. And the other activity is draw some faces on the papers, and this is a mix and match game. Like if you're feeling happy, how your eyes goes when you're happy, how your mouth, how your lips turn when you're happy. This is just a mix and match game. Friends, thanks for watching my video. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.